During a second day of the joint live fire drills by the Eastern Theater Command of the Chinese People's Liberation Army Code named Justice Mission 2025 around the Taiwan Island, a video titled Target Elimination, Line Breakage, Port Isolation was released. The footage showed the drills from the Air Force and the Rocket Force focusing on neutralizing strategic targets, joint sea and air exercises on cutting off supply line, and long-range rockets launching drills on sealing off key ports. The theatre command said multiple destroyers, frigates, fighters and bombers are being employed on subjects of identification and verification, warning and expulsion, stimulator strikes, assault on maritime targets, as well as anti-air and anti-submarine operations to the north and south of the Taiwan Island. Long-range rocket fires are being launched at targets in designated waters to the north of Taiwan's island. The drills are aimed at testing the military forces' capabilities of sea-air coordination and integrated blockade and control. In the recent months, Taiwan has also ramped up its military to counter the growing Chinese threat in the skies and around the island. Taiwan has emphasized on drone operations and combat training conducted by reservists. They had organized 14-day reservist program which included drone operations as well as training on new portable weapons.
We call on the Chinese authorities to act rationally and with self-restraint to immediately cease irresponsible, provocative behavior and not to misjudge the situation and become a troublemaker undermining regional peace. Our government will also continue to closely cooperate with all parties in the region to jointly protect the rules-based international order and safeguard peace, stability and security in the Indo-Pacific.
A day earlier, Russian Foreign Ministry Sergei Lavrov, in an interview with TASS, said Russia opposes Taiwan's independence in any form since their territory is an integral part of China. China has also claimed Taiwan to be an integral part of it, while the island opposes Chinese assertion and prefer democratic rule over communist government. Though US has claimed to have good relations with China, the recent arms package of $11 billion to Taiwan has drawn the ire of Beijing.
The Taiwan issue is the core of China's core interest, and China's resolve to safeguard national sovereignty, security and territorial integrity is unwavering. Any vile act of crossing the line and provoking on the Taiwan question will be met with China's firm countermeasures. Any sinister attempt to obstruct China's reunification will never succeed.
The drill also comes amid tensions with Japan. Last month, Japanese Prime Minister Sanai Takaichi, while responding to an opposition lawmaker in parliament about survival-threatening situations, said an attack on US warships sent to break any Chinese blockade on Taiwan could require Tokyo to intervene militarily to defend itself and its ally. China has also urged all nations seeking peace to take actions to resolutely contain the revival of Japanese militarism. With Mahashweta Lala, Bureau Report, India Today.